Developing a regular meditation practice can be challenging, but here are some techniques to help you get started and overcome common obstacles. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Set a schedule. Choose a specific time of day to meditate and stick to it. Consistency is key in building a habit. Create a dedicated space. Designate a quiet and comfortable area for your meditation practice. This can help signal to your brain that it's time to relax and focus. Use guided meditations. Utilize guided meditation apps or recordings to help you stay focused and engaged, especially if you're new to meditation. Focus on breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Focus on the sensation of each inhale and exhale, acceptance and non-judgment. Be patient with yourself and accept that your mind will wander during meditation. Instead of getting frustrated, simply acknowledge the thoughts and gently return your focus to the present moment. Experiment with different techniques. Try different meditation techniques, such as mindfulness, loving kindness, or body scan, to find what works best for you. Set realistic expectations. Understand that meditation is a practice, and progress may be slow at times. Be kind to yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Stay accountable. Share your meditation goals with a friend or join a meditation group to stay motivated and accountable. Be flexible. If you miss a meditation session or have a challenging day, don't be too hard on yourself. Simply acknowledge it and commit to starting fresh the next day. By incorporating these techniques into your routine and staying committed, you can develop a regular meditation practice and experience its many benefits over time.